truck and ambulance are heading toward each other.
Oh no! Move it. I got here first.
No way! This road is mine!
They argued, neither giving way, and crack, crack, boom! Both fell into a hole. By chance, the crane passes by and notices them.
Oh no! You guys really fell in.
Help us!
Time for super rescue powers. Oops. Yeah.
Ouch! Watch it!
The crane lowers its hook to lift the stranded vehicles up.
Hey! Be careful! Phew! My tire fell off! OMG! So hurt! Thank you! My tire fell off!
Got your tire. Let's fix you up. Need to expand the road. Okay. Thanks a bunch. Bring the material right away.
The vehicles drive off to gather materials and work together to rebuild the road.
Stones here, stones here.
Let's scoop some sand.
Okay, let's go.
Teamwork makes the job faster.
Go, go, go! All right. I'm going. Let's smash it flat. Boom, boom, boom. Just this iron ball can be flat.
Sand here, sand here.
The dump truck fills the hole with sand.
So sandy, haha! Wow, amazing!
Gravel is spread. The bulldozer flattens it. Strong foundations keep roads safe for everyone.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun rescue adventures.
The road is comfortable to go.
Ta-da! The road is wide and smooth now.
The road is so spacious, no one spends anywhere. When driving, always yield and stay in your lane to avoid accidents.
Everyone is asleep. Let's go out. Why is there such a beautiful road in the forest? Oh well, I like it as long as it's beautiful. It's okay, I can do it. What's wrong? It must be the wind.
Come on, come on!
Oh my God! Hello, cutie pie.
Where is he?
10 years later.
Wake up, team! What is happening?
I just got a signal. Green is down. Save him.
Let's go!
Go! Go! Go! Go!
Green, where are you? Save our friend. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Transform! Get out of my friend! Water blast, go!
Come on!
Wait a minute!
Isn't he threatening you?
Looks like we misunderstood him. Do you want to take us somewhere?
Let's go!
Should we follow?
Just trust Green.
Go! 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 Go!
1 hour later.
Bye, have a great time.
Hey! Wait a minute! You want to help us escape from the forest, right? Maybe because I stubbornly went down that dark and dangerous path.
Next time you can't skip out like that again.
Now let's go back. I'm hungry.
Hurry up, we need to do our duty. We need to be absolutely focused on the task.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Go! 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 Go!
Hey, what is this? Bing bong. The yellow gift is definitely for me. Oh my God, what is happening?
Oh my gosh!
5 minutes later.
Did you hear Yellow's voice? Huh? That's him. Looks like something happened. Come back quickly.
Let's go.
A few minutes later.
We need to help him. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform.
Go! Go! Go!
Hey! Hey!
Come on, come on!
Oh yeah! Come on, you can do it! You guys finally arrived! What? Help! Let me help you. Transform!
Okay, let's rope them and ride!
I'm done.
But why are you stuck here?
I'm curious about a gift box that doesn't belong to me.
It's just your curious nature.
If you know it doesn't belong to you, then don't be nosy.
Never, never again!
Now let's go save the world.
Let's go! Hey! Bye, have a great time.
What is this? Where did this phone come from? You fix the road, I will separate traffic. Do not enter this area.
Okay.
Let's go!
Miraculously, I can see myself in here.
5 minutes later.
Hurry up, slowpoke!
Pay attention to the road and stay safe.
Come on!
1 hour later.
Go! Run! Right now!
Okay, here we go.
Hello, cutie pie.
You guys suck! Yeah! Transform! If you want to fight, you have to be...
Oh my gosh!
Why are you crying?
Hey! Go! 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 Come on! You can do it!
Sorry, it's my fault. I'm too addicted to the virtual world.
You should focus on work rather than games.
Escape and be happy like me.
This rock is too heavy. I need to drop it.
Wait. Help me! Help me!
Oh no! An accident at the intersection. Emergency! Calling the rescue team now.
5 minutes later.
It's action time! Transform! Firefighter, ready to roll!
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform. Tow truck ready.
Transform!
I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Help! Please! Help!
Hey!
Water blast, go!
Let me help. Oh yes. I will help you get well. Let's go!
So messy, let me clean it up.
Go! 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 Go!
Okay already!
Let's go!
Oh my gosh!
This road is unsafe. We must rebuild it now.
Call for reinforcements. Let fill the hole.
Sand is ready. 5 minutes later.
Let me smooth it out. The road is smooth now. Cement is coming. Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug.
Much later.
This road will be super smooth.
10 years later.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh Oh my gosh! Why is it raining at this time?
Go! 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 Go!
It won't affect anything. I'll go quickly on time. A few minutes later.
Wait, what are you going?
I dreamed my brother had an accident.
Let's go! 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 Go!
5 minutes later.
Come on! Come on!
Hey!
Hey, stop!
What are you going?
The road is flooded. How can you save your brother?
But I have to go save my brother.
First of all, we have to get down to business. Let's roll out. Transform!
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 Come on! Come on!
Please do not go this way.
Oh, and also, what was that?
Please avoid construction sites.
Okay, here we go.
I come here. A few moments later.
Cement is coming.
Ten years later. The road is open again.
Yeah.
Bye, have a great time.
Brother, save me.
Are you hurt? What should I do?
Bing bang!
Much later.
Thank you very much.
Fix the road first, then you can save your brother.
So we make it up.
Let's go! 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 Go!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, here we go.
Don't let personal matters ruin public affairs.
Goodbye.
This is serious. What should we do? I know someone who can help us. Let's go.
1 hour later.
We have an urgent mission.
What's up?
Oh, what's going on?
What happened?
The bridge is shaking and cracking.
Okay, let's go check on the bridge first.
Transform!
Let's roll out. Transform!
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 Hey!
Yo, 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 yo!
Help me! Help me, please!
Help me! Oh no!
Hey!
Oh my god, the bridge is going to collapse.
Everyone, save him! Help me! Help me, please!
Come on! Come on!
Come on! You can do it! Go! 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 Go!
Don't worry! I will help you!
Let's go!
Here! Okay, here goes.
We must build the bridge as fast as possible.
Now, we'll rebuild the bridge stronger.
Oh yeah!
Stand back, I'm building our way out of this.
Yo, 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 yo!
Okay, here goes.
Oh no, this is a disaster!
Calm down. We can fix this.
Oh my God!
Wait. Let's try again, but together this time.
5 minutes later. Okay, here goes.
We did it!
See? Working together always wins.
Yo, 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 yo!
Let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Hey! We can always solve problems when we work together.